One of the most destructive forces to ever step into an LWA ring, Burhan the Arab Assassin returns on Sunday, November 28th at Legacy. With multiple championship reigns under his belt and battles with some of the biggest stars in professional wrestling, Burhan has remained a dominant competitor with sheer raw power. And now he comes home to the Laredo Wrestling Alliance. But just who will he be unleashing his wrath on? You'll have to be there to find out. Sunday, November 28th, Jesse Gonzalez presents Legacy. Get your tickets today.